Hi all. As part of this year's reading day, we, the first year MCOM students of Marine College Kuttikkanam, are initiating a series of book reviews. I am Abu Norwat. I am new to this platform. Today, I will start with a book review. The name of the book is God Days, which is written by Benjamin. It is actually a Malayalam novel that is translated to English by Dr. Joseph Koipalli. So I will share a small PPT and we'll start with the review.
Let's start with the review of God Days by Benjamin. The main character in this novel is Najib, who is a poor and illegal sand miner from Kerala. He dreams of going to the Gulf to earn big bucks just like millions of Malayalis. He is given the chance when the brother-in-law of a friend has a visa for sale. Najib pledges his home and his wealth to buy the visa and make the journey to Riyadh. There he is taken in by an Arab, who enslaves him as a shepherd of goats and camels. Denied the use of any water for sanitation or bathing, he is given just enough food to survive. He is regularly beaten and his life is spent in the stinking animal pens, herding them, feeding them, milking them, and walking them. His god days have begun. The 3.5 years of suffering he would eventually endure form the bulk of the book. The book is originally written by Benjamin in Malayalam and has been translated by Joseph Koipalli. Written in a first-person conversational style, the language feels simplistic when read in English, but one gets the feeling that the lines were probably more pleasing and intricate in the original Malayalam. The book almost has two angles. On one hand, it is a simple story about a Malayali being taken to the Gulf under false pretexts and being abused by his Arab master. It is an engaging read, even if that's all you get out of it. The daily struggles and grand escape attempt of Najib will keep you turning the pages. On the other hand, the book is also about how Najib dealt with his loneliness, his broken dreams, and his pain. The uneducated shepherd does not magically come to some great and deep realizations about the nature of life and the universe with his gods. Though a believer, Najib is never witness to a miracle, nor are the worst horrors the human mind can think of inflicted upon him. There is a touching quote in the novel that is, there are worse things in this world than beatings. That is, there are no stereotypes or caricatures, and there are only people, some good, some bad, or some indifferent. Najib meets and suffers at the hands of his villains just as accidentally as his heroes rescue him, and this lends a touch of authenticity to the tale, often missing in such real life narrations. In this novel, Najib is vulnerable because he has hope for a better future. He has the audacity to dream, yet when he leaps, the weight of the world was too much for him to do anything but fall. Reading his story based off a true story of enslavement is difficult because it seems so distant from real life. The story is almost too foreign to comprehend in its display of poverty and powerlessness. Of course, everyone knows that slavery and trickery exist in the world, but knowing that something happens is a different thing entirely than seeing it slowly happen, even if your vision is blurred by ink. There are certain lessons that can be learned from God Days. A thematic takeaway may be to dream safer dreams. A practical lesson may be to support international laws and companies that focus on fair labor practices. Najib was a god and shepherd, and his free labor allowed for cheap prices on wool. This cheap price could translate into cheaper goods for the likes of you and me. But a deal at the mall may come at the cost of a real person's freedom, dignity, and life. Transparency in supply chains and enforced labor laws are needed so that those willing to work hard can do so without the chance of becoming lower than an animal. Of course, the simplicity of God Days does not preach so dogmatically. This is the kindness that God Days shares with its readers. It's a story that allows you to come. The main theme of this novel is alienation, and it is shown through the life journey of Najib. So, by this, I conclude the review. Thank you.